Okay, so classify each triangle by its sides. Okay, base your decision on the actual lengths of the sides and the measures of the angles. Okay, so what does number one look like? Does it look like all three sides are the same, different? They look like the same, so then what would it be? Well, they all three got to be the same. So what do we think it looks like? Okay, are we saying that they're all the same or not?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go with no. Okay, the reason being, if look, this is an equilateral. You see how like it's a nice, I don't know. Okay, so it's gonna be an isosceles. And what do we think? Does one of them look like it's bigger than 90, right, or acute? Acute. Okay, so I'm shortening it down. Okay, we don't need to write the whole dang word out. It's unnecessary. Okay, look at 3. What does it look like? You think all three sides are different?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go with scaling. What? Acute? Okay. Five. Scaling acute, I would agree with that. 7. Isosceles acute. Which part of it looks different than the other two? Which side?
The right side.
We got side 1, 2, and 3.
I'm looking at the 2.
I think 3 looks like not the same length as 1 and 2. Okay. Look at number 9. Okay, hold on. So what kind is it, first of all, with the sides? I think it's an isosceles. Okay, these two sides look the same to me. Okay, so we're going to go with isosceles. Okay, now, that was a very good question. If you have at least one obtuse or one right, it trumps all. So you have to have all three got to be acute. But like, we can clearly tell one of them is obtuse, right? This one right here, this angle is obtuse. It's really big. So that's going to make this obtuse. Okay, on the bottom part, they started marking some stuff for us. Okay, so now you can definitely tell what kind of triangle is triangle 1. It's a perfect triangle. Okay, let's use other words. Equilateral. And it's going to be what? What about the angle? Acute. Okay, see how these are all marked 1, 1, 1? That means they're equivalent. Okay, and they're all going to be acute. Okay, look at 13. What kind of triangle is it based on its sides? Christian, flip the page. What kind of triangle is it? It's definitely isosceles. Okay, we got two sides that are the same. Okay, and then what? Acute, obtuse, right. It's definitely acute. Two of the angles are equal. This one and this one are equal to each other. This one's not, but it's still really small. Okay, 15. It's going to be isosceles. We know that these two sides are the same. And is it going to be acute, obtuse, or right? Mm-hmm. This angle is an obtuse angle. Okay, you can see that it's bigger than this. Okay, bigger than a right angle. 17. It's not a scaling. Isosceles, right. How do we know that's a right angle? Yeah, it's got that little square.
90.
Yep, 90 degrees. 19. What kind is it?
Quadrilateral?
Equilateral.
Equilateral. I'm like, quadrilateral? That's a real math word, but I was like, we're not even on that section. Okay, equilateral what? Acute. Okay, classify each triangle by its angles. What's the first one look like? Isosceles, what?
Acute?
Acute. Now, they only want you to do this one on here because it says by the angles. The angles are these ones. The sides are these ones. Okay? However, we're going to do them both. Okay? Just for practice purposes, we're going to do them both. Okay? 23.
Isosceles?
Isosceles, what?
Obtuse?
Obtuse. $25.
Scaling?
Scalene. Okay. We know it would have to, even if it looks like it, we don't have two sides marked. So we know that it's got to be a scalene. Scalene what?
Obtuse?
Obtuse. Scalene right. 29. Isosceles acute. Good. You guys got 15 of them to do on your own. Get them done and then turn it